Hello everyone, I am Shweta and welcome to my channel Analytics by Shweta. In today's video, we will learn how to create the Gantt chart in Excel. If you see, we have certain processes given over here and we have the start date and the end date for each of the processes along with their duration. We have prepared a chart over here. If you see, some processes are overlapping, that is, they take place simultaneously. For example, application is from 1st Feb to 25th Feb. But on 15th Feb, we also simultaneously start the screening process. So you may have such cases where you may have simultaneous, or you may have data where one process ends and then only the other process starts. For example, I have changed this date to 26. So you see this chart automatically updates. You can show the steps when they start, when they end, and what is the duration of days taken for each step. So this will give you a process timeline and help you analyze how many days you are taking for each step in your concerned project. So let's go ahead and create this chart. So first what you need to do is change your data format. So you go here, you go to format cells and ensure that it's custom and DD MMM. So DD-MMM. Let's do the same for the other. To format custom DD MMM. So you see it shows only the day and the month, but if you look at the data, the complete date is present. Now first just take two data. Take your starting date and take your latest date. In latest date, just add certain more days to it. For example, it's 5th May. I have added some 6 days more and I have put it as 11th May. Now select both of this and put it as number. Now what you need to do is select your process and your start date, go to insert and insert a stacked bar chart. If you see, application is at the bottom and joining is at the top. So select it, do format axis and do categories in reverse order. So now application comes on the top. Now select your axis. If you see, we have dates from 30th November and it is extending, but we want the dates which we have in our project, that is from 1st Feb and 5th Feb. We have added some more days, so we need that particular day. So select your axis and go to the days which you have converted to number. So our earliest date is 45323. So we write 45323 and enter, and our latest date is 45423. So I have put 45423 and I have got the date. If you see here, 1st Feb to 11th May. Next, select your start, go to select data and for example, okay, you need to do one step additional. You need to calculate the duration. So our duration is the end date minus the start date and you need to add 1 to it. So you get the duration of days for each of this particular stage. Now select your data, go to chart design, go to select data and add. In series name, give duration cell. And in series value, give the duration values and say OK. So if you see right now, we have our duration over here and then this blue bar is the starting portion. Now the start date, you select the blue portion and say no fill and remove the grid lines. Select the orange portion, which is your duration, and adjust the gap width so that the bars are a little bit thicker. Next, go to fill, do a solid fill and enter a fill color which you require. Next, go and add data labels. Select your data label and give it a white color so that it is more visible. Make it bold and increase the font. Next is you select this and you say, give me in black color, give me in bold, and increase the font. You can use any font colors over here. You can even use this font which we have used for the individual series of the duration. Similarly, for the various steps, again select the same color, do bold and increase it. So you have got your Gantt chart which is completely ready. We have not put the year over here because otherwise it will be too cluttered. Let us also just reduce the font size. Yeah. Now you see we have our product stages of the recruitment process. Now each and every stage can be overlapping with each other. So you can have two steps where in between the second step also starts, or you can have exactly when one step completes the next step starts. For example, here instead of 15th Feb, I will put it as 28th Feb. 28th Feb, not 2nd Feb. 28th Feb. So you see after this step completes, then this step starts. If I put something like 11th Feb, it starts along with this. So this will help you understand which steps are happening simultaneously, which step happens after the completion of one step. So the Gantt chart helps you to track the progress of your project. So I hope you understood this video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you for your time and have a nice day.